Hello and welcome back to another computer sluggish tutorial. I have been asked, how do you disable the Windows firewall? Well, this is actually really easy to do. All you need to do is head on down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in Defender. And you need to click on Windows Defender Security Center. You now need to go across to Firewall and Network Protection and just click on there. Once you're on this screen, you now need to click on Domain Network and you need to toggle this on button to off. You now need to go back and you need to go down to Private Network and toggle it to off as well. And we need to go back and do the same for the public network and toggle that to off. And there you go, it's as easy as that. Now our firewall is disabled on Windows 10. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.